Hello everyone, this is Mr. Nice Guy, and in this video you will learn what is prime numbers. Prime numbers are like the fundamental building block of whole numbers because with them you can multiply them together to get any whole numbers in the world. So for any number to be considered a prime number, it must fit into two criteria. The first criteria is it must be a whole number that is larger than 1. The second criteria is it has exactly two factors, 1 and itself. So what are some examples of prime numbers and non-prime number, or what we call composite numbers? Let us take a look. For example, the number 3. What factors does it have? 1 times 3 will give us 3. So it have only two factors, 1 and itself. So 3 is actually a prime number. Okay, now what about the number 9? The factor of 9 are 1 times 9 equals to 9. 3 times 3 equals to 9. We can see that 9 have 3 factors. So 9 is considered a composite number. The number 12. 1 times 12 equals to 12. 2 times 6 equals to 12 as well. And 3 times 4 also give us 12. So 12 actually have 6 factors. So it is considered a non-prime number. How about the number 17? Okay, if you have problem figuring out whether 17 is a prime or a non-prime number, we can always whip out our calculator to test whether the number in question, in this case 17, is a prime number or not. So can 17 be divided by 3? No. Can 17 be divided by 7 to give a whole number? No as well. So 17 is a prime number. What about 49? Like always, we can take out our calculator and try to divide 49. Then you might ask, hey yo Mr. Nice Guy, how do we know what number to divide 49 by? So what we are doing here is divide 49 by prime numbers. We should start with 2, but since 49 is an odd number, we know that it is not divisible by 2. So we started with 3, followed by 5, and the next prime number is 7, and 7 will give us a whole number, which is 7 as well. So we can see that 7 is also a factor of 49, so 49 is not a prime number. So as you can see, there are definitely some prime number which we must know by heart, because when they give us a number, we need to divide them by some smaller prime number. So those prime number which I recommend you to know are number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and maybe 21 and 23. Now a simple typical question will be like, is 91 a prime number? So what you have to do is take out your calculator and start dividing by the smaller prime number. So start off with 2, see whether it gives a whole number, followed by 3, then 5, 7. Okay, 7 will give us 13. So we know that 91 is also divisible by 7. So 91 is not a prime number. Now you might want to ask, hey yo Mr. Nice Guy, how do we know when to stop dividing if the number is a prime number? Because you will never get a whole number if it's a prime number. And the answer to that is actually quite simple. We just have to square root the number that is given. For example, if we are given 101, we just have to square root 101. We will get 10.04. And we will stop at the smaller prime number that is closer to 10, in this case which is 7. So we start off by dividing 101 by 3, doesn't give a whole number, so next prime number which is 5, followed by 7. Since 101 is not divisible by 7, it is a prime number, because 101 will not be divisible by any larger number. Let me just go through a few more examples. For example, 1, 2, 3, when do we stop? Square root 1, 2, 3, and we will get 11.09. So we know to stop at 11. So let us divide 123 by 3. Oh, we actually get a whole number in this case. So 123 is actually a composite number. Finally, what about 397? Is it a prime or a composite number? So first, let us square root 397. It will give us 19.9. So we should stop dividing at 19. So let us start off with 3, 5, and so on. So if the number is a prime number, by the time we reach 19 and it doesn't give us a whole number, we can stop. So 17 doesn't give us a whole number. 19 also doesn't give us a whole number. So we can safely conclude that 397 is a prime number. So this is all for this video. I hope that you have learned what is a prime number and the method of finding out whether a given number is a prime number or a composite number. Until next video, see you!